Hey there. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, exciting careers within AI. And guess what? You don't need a fancy degree to start your thrilling journey. Whether you're a high school graduate, a career changer, or just someone passionate about data and technology, there's a place for you in the dynamic world of AI, especially in AI data engineering. So, let's explore how you can kickstart your career in this booming industry. But before we delve deeper, let's quickly understand what AI data engineering is all about. In a nutshell, it's the backbone of artificial intelligence and machine learning systems. AI data engineers design, build, and maintain the infrastructure needed to collect, store, process, and analyze vast amounts of data. They ensure that AI algorithms have access to high-quality data to make accurate predictions and decisions. Are AI data engineers in demand? Absolutely. AI engineers are highly in demand due to the exponential growth of artificial intelligence technologies across various industries. As businesses increasingly rely on AI for automation, predictive analytics, and decision-making, the need for skilled professionals who can design, develop, and maintain AI systems has surged. From healthcare to finance, retail to manufacturing, companies are seeking AI engineers to drive innovation and competitive advantage. With an ever-expanding job market and lucrative opportunities, AI engineers are at the forefront of shaping the future of technology. What do AI data engineers make annually? AI engineers can earn an annual median salary of $137,000 according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. According to Glassdoor, the median base salary for an AI engineer is $108,000 in the United States. Industries such as finance, healthcare, and tech are known to offer competitive compensation packages to attract top AI engineering talent. Now, let's get into the exciting part: how to break into this field without a traditional degree. While a degree in computer science or a related field can be beneficial, it's not the only path to success in this industry. Many employers are more interested in your skills, experience, and passion for data than your formal education. Let's explore some practical steps you can take to build a career in AI data engineering without a degree. Develop core skills. The first step is to develop core skills in areas such as programming, data analysis, and machine learning. Fortunately, there are plenty of resources available online to help you acquire these skills. Websites like Coursera, Udacity, and edX offer a wide range of courses in data science, Python programming, SQL, and more. ChatGPT can also assist in developing programming and SQL skills by providing insights, explanations, code snippets, and problem-solving guidance. Users can ask questions, seek clarification on concepts and code snippets, and even practice coding through interactive sessions. Its vast knowledge base and the ability to understand and respond to queries make it a valuable resource for aspiring programmers. ChatGPT doesn't replace real programmers. Instead, it complements their work by offering assistance, guidance, and knowledge. Take advantage of these platforms to learn at your own pace and build a solid foundation in AI data engineering. Build a portfolio. It's also essential to build a portfolio that showcases your skills and projects. Start by working on real-world data projects, whether it's analyzing data sets, building predictive models, or creating data visualizations. These projects will not only demonstrate your abilities to potential employers, but also help you gain practical experience in AI data engineering. Don't forget to showcase your portfolio on platforms like GitHub or LinkedIn to increase your visibility in the industry. I've put together a brief tutorial to guide you through creating a straightforward data visualization using Python, specifically focused on AI data engineering. This tutorial serves as an excellent addition to your portfolio, offering a chance to demonstrate your skills, particularly if you're new to the field. Let's dive in and explore. First things first, make sure you have Python, a high-level, versatile, and a very easy-to-learn programming language installed on your computer. It's widely used for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, automation, and more. You can download and install Python from python.org. Let's start with that. Download Python for your operating system. Since I've already installed Python, I'll demonstrate the installation process. You can verify on your computer whether the installation was successful. Now, let's open a command prompt to check the Python version and verify if it's functioning properly. To check the installed Python version in command prompt, simply type py and press enter. The installed Python version is 3.12.2. Let's write our first line of code to print, and press enter. When you run this code, it will output "Hello all" to the console. This verifies, in a simple way, that our programming environment is set up correctly. Let's install matplotlib. Matplotlib is a Python library for creating static, interactive, and animated visualizations. It offers a wide range of plotting functions for data analysis and presentation. We can install this library with a single line in your command prompt or terminal. Pip install matplotlib, then press enter. Since I've already installed it, I won't press enter. After installing Python and matplotlib, open your preferred code editor. I'll keep it simple by using a text editor. We start by importing the necessary library matplotlib, and pyplot is one of its modules. In this line, import matplotlib pyplot as PLT. PLT is like a shortcut for the matplotlib pyplot module. When you want to use functions or features from a library and its module, you don't have to type out its full name every time. Instead, you can just use PLT as an easier-to-remember name for convenience. So, whenever you see PLT in code, just think of it as a way to refer to the matplotlib.pyplot module without having to type out its full name each time. It helps keep your code shorter and simpler. Next, let's prepare some sample data. For this example, let's say we have a list of AI data engineering job titles and the corresponding number of job openings. Now, let's create a simple bar chart to visualize this data. plt.bar creates the bar chart. We have the list of job titles on the x-axis of the bar chart, and we have the list of numbers of job openings for each job title on the y-axis. The color of the bars is green. plt.show displays the plot on the screen. Without this line, the plot would be created but not shown. Let's save the file as barchart.py. After saving the file barchart.py, you can display the bar chart in the command prompt or terminal by following these simple steps. Open the command prompt or terminal on your computer. We navigate to the directory where the barchart.py file is saved using the cd command. In our example, the directory is pytest. Once you're in the correct directory, simply type the following command, python barchart.py, and press enter. And there you have it, a simple bar chart showing the number of job openings for different AI data engineering roles. You can see that machine learning engineer has the highest number of job openings, followed by data scientist and data engineer. Creating data visualizations is one of the valuable skills in the field of AI data engineering, and showcasing your work can help you stand out to potential employers. You can download the code from my blog post in the description below. Network and connect. Networking plays a crucial role in landing a job in any field, and AI data engineering is no exception. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with professionals already working in the field. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and seek advice from experienced professionals. You never know when a networking opportunity might lead to a job offer or valuable mentorship. Gain practical experience. While formal education is one way to learn, gaining practical experience is equally important in AI data engineering. Consider internships, freelance projects, or volunteer work to get hands-on experience in the field. These opportunities will not only enhance your skills, but also provide valuable insights into the day-to-day workings of AI data engineering. Plus, they'll look great on your resume when applying for full-time positions. Stay updated. Lastly, it's essential to stay updated with the latest trends and developments in AI data engineering. Subscribe to industry blogs, follow thought leaders on social media, and attend conferences or webinars to stay informed about emerging technologies and best practices. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to thriving in this rapidly evolving field. So, there you have it. A roadmap to kickstart your career in AI data engineering without a traditional degree. Remember, it's not about where you start, but where you're headed. With dedication, perseverance, and a passion for data, you can carve out a rewarding career in this exciting field. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next video.